that, baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place.
Hey, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So today's wig review is sponsored by Lolly Hair. They did send me a unit. This bag looks like it is recyclable. So that's very cool. So we have some hair info here. Lolly Hair gives you their website, contact information, and information about drop shipping. Got a little baggie with some goodies in it, I believe. Right, so we got a wig hanger, so you can hang your wig here and let it air dry. You have a duckbill clip. You have a edge brush, baby hair brush, and you have an HD wig cap. And of course you have your wig. It looks like we have a 5x5 closure wig in body wave. It looks like it's pre-cut and pre-bleached, which is really nice. Pre-cut and pre-bleached. Love that middle part. Nicely pre-plucked. And the hairline is definitely pre-cut. I mean, the lace is pre-cut. The lace color is a little bit gray, so I'm definitely going to spray that down. Let's look at the cap construction. Definitely a nice large 5x5 closure. You have your combs at the temple. You have your adjustable elastic band, which is nice. And this elastic band has some silicone on it, and it says Lolly Hair on it, which is really nice. Go ahead and adjust this. And then of course you have your comb in the back and your adjustable straps. Looks like this one is like a mid-length kind of bob, and it comes pre-curled, which is bomb. You don't have to do too much. So I'm definitely going to apply this glueless and see how this works out. But of course, first I'm going to spray my Ebin lace tint spray. And the lace tint spray color I use is medium dark brown. And I'm gonna grab my mini fan, which is also from Amazon. So just wanted to jump in and let you know that I'm adding my contour powder. This is the darkest powder that I use on my face, just to blend this wig cap out to make sure that it matches my skin tone. I went ahead and put the wig on, and you guys, this lace literally disappeared. It looks so good, so natural, and it's completely glueless. No adhesive, no glue, no gel, nothing. And I didn't even use baby hairs for this. I literally just, you know, cut a little bit of the hairline just to get some wispies there, but I didn't use any baby hair gel or edge control gel to do any baby hairs. I just wanted this to look very natural. So I just went in with my cutting shears from Amazon. I'll link these in the description box so you can grab these if you like. I just did sliding layers. I definitely wanted this wig to have layers that frame my face. I wanted that sultry, sexy look, but I still wanted, like, you know, that bob look. So I didn't cut too much, but I definitely wanted some face framing layers. And here I'm going in with my babyless flat irons just to give the hair a curl. Obviously you can wear it in the curls that it came with, but today I wanted those like Hollywood type old Hollywood curls. So I added some curls to the front of my hair, and then around the sides and the back I just flip the hair under. It's just straight and flipped under. So this is what I did to get the curl pattern that I wanted. So it pretty much goes without saying, I think this hair is absolutely beautiful. The fact that it's glueless, I did not have to use any spray adhesive, glue, any gel or anything to keep this hair or this lace down and to make it look natural. It looks so good, you guys. I didn't even add any powder to it or anything. It just looks great. I love this hair. It's so soft, it's manageable, it holds a curl, and it's easy to style. I added some layers into it and it's fire. If you guys want to check out this wig, I'll leave it in the description box down below. Make sure you guys are following me and you're subscribed. Share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.